Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Have you ever wondered how you can earn extra money without quitting your full-time job? Whether it's to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or just boost your financial security, side hustles are the perfect solution. In today's video, we're diving into 5 proven side hustles that are guaranteed to help you boost your income in 2025. And trust me, these aren't your typical ideas. These are side hustles that anyone can start right now with little to no experience. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone working a 9-to-5 job, these side hustles are flexible enough to fit around your schedule. So, get ready to take some notes, and let's jump into these game-changing money-making ideas. 1. ShareTown furniture pickup and resale. If you got a truck or an SUV, ShareTown might be the perfect side hustle for you. This side gig revolves around the idea of picking up returned furniture from online sellers and reselling for profit. ShareTown works with online furniture companies that often deal with returns, like mattresses or couches. You see, once these items are opened, they can't go back in their original packaging, making them hard to resell directly. That's where you come in. For example, if you were to pick up a mattress or sofa, ShareTown will provide you with all the details, including pictures and descriptions. You simply take those items and post them on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or OfferUp. Once the item sells, you split the profits with ShareTown. What makes this hustle even more enticing is the fact that you can make up to $800 in a day, or even earn $3,000 to $4,000 a month, depending on how much time you dedicate to it. Plus, the best part is you get to work on your own terms, choosing the days and hours you want to pick up the items. It's a flexible and easy side hustle that allows you to make money without a major time commitment. So, if you have a vehicle and some free time on the weekends, this could be your new money-making machine. 2. Amazon product arbitrage. Now, let's talk about something that's perfect for those who love hunting for deals. Amazon product arbitrage. This side hustle involves buying products at a discount from local stores and reselling them at a higher price on Amazon. Here's how it works. You simply download an Amazon barcode scanner app that helps you scan any item in stores like TJ Maxx, Walmart, Marshalls, or even in the clearance sections. Once you scan an item, the app will show you how much it's selling for on Amazon. Sometimes, you'll find a $5 item in a store that's selling for $30 on Amazon, which means you just uncovered a profitable deal. You don't need to start big. Even scanning a few items a week can lead to decent profits. And as you get better at it, you'll begin to recognize which stores have the best deals and which products are in high demand. Whether you're flipping books, electronics, or clothes, there's money to be made. This is an ideal hustle if you're already spending time shopping, so you might as well turn it into a money-making opportunity. What's even better, as you start making more sales, you'll see the potential for this side hustle to grow into a full-time business, all from the comfort of your home. 3. Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace flipping. Next, let's talk about flipping items on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. You'd be surprised how many people are making a full-time income just by buying and reselling items in their local area. Flipping involves buying undervalued items, things like furniture, electronics, or even appliances, and reselling them for a higher price. The trick is to look for high-ticket items, as they'll leave more room for profit. Many people just want to get rid of things quickly, and they sell them for a fraction of their real value. Whether you're finding a free couch or a cheap lawnmower, there's always money to be made if you're willing to put in the time and effort to fix things up a bit. Some people even specialize in specific items. For example, I know of a guy who makes over $100,000 a year flipping high-quality cameras that he finds for cheap, fixes up, and resells. Or there's another who specializes in couch flipping, refurbishing old couches, and reselling them for a huge profit. If you're looking for a side hustle that's not only profitable but also requires minimal upfront investment, flipping could be for you. You don't need a lot of money to start, just some basic skills, a bit of creativity, and a strong work ethic. For contract work on Indeed, here's a side hustle that's a little unconventional but extremely effective. Finding contract work through job sites like Indeed. You might think Indeed is just for full-time corporate jobs, but it's actually full of side gigs and contract work that can easily turn into a profitable hustle. You can search for remote or part-time contract positions in a variety of fields like grocery shopping, dog grooming, or even delivery driving. The beauty of this is that you can select jobs that fit your schedule, giving you the flexibility to work around your full-time job. Some of these gigs pay $200 to $300 a day, and they often don't require any specialized skills to get started. For example, you could find work as an office assistant, a freelance interpreter, or even as a part-time delivery driver, making $25 to $29 an hour. By simply visiting Indeed and searching for contract-based roles, you open up a world of easy money-making opportunities. This is a great side hustle for someone who wants extra cash, but also values flexibility. And as a bonus, a lot of these jobs are remote, which means you can earn money while working from home. 5. Print on demand with Etsy and Printful. If you're creative and love the idea of running an online business without dealing with inventory, print on demand with Etsy and Printful is an excellent side hustle to explore. This allows you to design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them on Etsy without needing to worry about manufacturing, shipping, or storing any products. First, you choose a niche, something that people are passionate about, like funny t-shirt for dog lovers or motivational mugs for entrepreneurs. Once you know what you want to sell, you can create custom designs using a free tool like Canva. Then, upload those designs to Printful, which will handle production and shipping for you. What makes this side hustle so great is that it's a hands-off business. You don't need to purchase inventory up front or worry about stocking products. Once your Etsy store gets some attention, you can start making money while you sleep. Building a strong following in a niche that you're passionate about can take some time, but once you've established yourself, the potential for long-term profit is huge. It's a perfect side hustle for people who want to combine creativity with a low-maintenance business model. And that's it. Those are 5 incredible side hustles to help you boost your income in 2025. Whether you're interested in something flexible like ShareTown, or you're ready to take on the exciting world of Amazon arbitrage, there's a side hustle for everyone. Remember, the key is to take that first step and start small. Don't let anything hold you back from reaching your financial goals. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just get some extra cash, these side hustles are an easy and effective way to get there. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these side hustles? Or maybe you have your own that's been working for you. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content about making money and achieving your financial dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.